TS Galaxy nil ni famba na Sikhalo kwalana riperile Sikhalo
riperile mjani kokwana
ifikile ngobona
hayi why na vinyi va yona
ntlangu mu vona njani
ntlangu a wu ri kahle but ku ri na laha where there is a room for improvement. I think for player yo fana na Chislet we have to not give him a wing role. Hi n'wi nyiketa a free role for him to play because of it reminds me of a player called Clarence Seedorf. He's not a player to run and cross and what, but he's a player that when he's got the ball to think and operate and give the ball so that we can be active. So in our system, if we can just find a way that we can give him a free role for him to roam around, we'll be alive, because when he's got the ball, you can see a lot of people will criticize and say, look, how come a ball was dropping deep, going back. It's because of, yes, when he's trying to think, 2-3 players were coming to block him, and then it was forcing him to drop more into the wing. But if you are to be fair, and then we give him a free role, he is very good. You can see when he's got the ball, he tries to make a movement, and then we're really not supporting. So yeah, we are going there, and then we also got a lot of our players back. They got some 3 minutes. Brendan Peterson being back, we kept a clean sheet after a long time. Knox, he came back. Mayo got some minutes. It shows that we are improving. Remember, now we are at a crucial stage where we really need to get all the maximum points, because of mathematically, if it is at calculator, we are still there. We can even finish on position 2. And if anything happens, because you can see our neighbors there, our noisy neighbors, they are dropping points now.
Yeah.
Anything is possible. Sundowns can come back, and they are definitely going to drop points against us. So if there will be another team that will force them to drop points, anything can happen. So we cannot really say it is finished. Let us race. Let us grab whatever that can come to us, because if we grab, we can still finish on position 2. You understand? So we are in a good position for us to play. So let's see what they bring. I'm glad that the players are back, yeah, and then let's see what will happen.
Ayi vulavule mutlangi lo landzelaka wa Magesi na xipano xa Polokwane City. Swi vula ku Kaizer Chiefs ta travel ya Polokwane ka game letiwani tambirhi a Old Peter Mokaba na New Peter Mokaba Stadium. U vona ntlangu ta famba njani?
No, for me, Polokwane it's our home away from home. Batele vaseketeri va hina le Polokwane, Limpopo ku angarhela. Se ku ya kona Magezi a yi ni chavisi ngopfu. Polokwane City yona le ni tshembaka ku ri va ta hi nyiketa challenge. Ya vona they are good, and loko va tlanga na hina va endla sure ku ri they come to the party. So yeah, a va lavi ku ri hi ya hi va tekela hansi ku ri Polokwane hi toloverini kumbe ha yi tiva. We have to respect both of the teams, and then hi tlanga hi ku tiyimisela, and then hi ta tikuma tipointi leti ti lavekaka.
Khensile mavonelo ya n'wina siku ra rinene?
No, I'm not canceling. Misala kahle kokwana.
Hi swona.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah.